Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add testimonials for your site in Blogger. So let's go. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is testimonials. Sign up for free. Gmail or Facebook, really up to you. And when you got it, click here on login. Right here, you want to write testimonials. And you're going to see right here, testimonial slider. Let's create a widget. Now, when we got it, you can choose which one you like. You can go with the rotator, with your slider, carousel. Really up to you which one you like. And now I will go with rotator. Continue with the template. Now you can choose like content or style. You can edit everything, literally everything. From picture, from stars, from text, logo. Then you get like style if you want to, how to display, full, short. Now just click save when you got it. Right before that, you need to choose a plan. You can go between light, basic, pro and enterprise. If you're starting out with your site, go with light version. But if you're gonna have like 5,000, 50,000 views on your site, don't worry, you can go completely with the basic or pro. Now, when we have the code, let's click on our page and let's edit home. Now here on HTML, you got this, save, and let's preview it. And here we got it, perfect, perfect, perfect. What our clients say. Amazing testimonial slider. So also what I recommend, if you're gonna like more applications here in L-Site, what I recommend is definitely go and check them out. But if you're gonna like 5 or 6 more applications, what I recommend going with the Pro Pack or Basic Pack. That's for sure. 100%. So that's probably it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.